njengoba beshilo ukuthi uSisiphili uzosikhombisa umsebenzi awenzayo wesandla sakhe ukuthi uyena othungale fashion. So Sisiphili cela usitshele ukuthi na imodel yethu enhle njani imodel yethu igqokile ingubo inhle and yini ekwenza ukuthi uthungele ingubo enhle kangaka?
Okay, as I said earlier, Iliko design is inspired by Africa. Yeah. Everything that touches on African roots, Iliko design inspired by that. So this is our 2018 collection. 2018 collection. La pesibone khona i-rise zangoma, ukuthi abantu bafuna ukuba izangoma and everything. Yeah. So we're like, okay, fine, bagqoka amabhayi style. Why don't you see? Because abanye sebe stylish, some modernize. So I came up with this. Ukuthi bebe modern traditional healers. It's very stylish and modern. Okay. But yet inalento ethi Africa.
Yeah, so njengoba ushilo ukuthi khona okunye futhi ufuna ukuzivezelana yona. Sacela enye imodel ukuthi isibonise ukuthi imuphi umsebenzi yabo kakhulu sisi. Bayigama la uZethemba Amaseko. Siyabonga ukwazi sisi. Okay, sacela ukubona okunye enye ezemfashion. Wow. Yo. Hey, le izinanye liye sisi lana ke kwenzakalani?
This is one of our haute couture pieces. So this is it's like a queen, an African queen.
Yes.
Namative zakhona are inspired by leopard print.
Wow.
Everybody on the dance floor.
Yeah, uphathi nje ngiyabona ukuthi ufake nephephela yabo kusho ukuthi iyahlangana ne-Africa futhi ne-fashion. Yabona nje ihlanganise kahle siswami, ihlanganise kahle. Igama lakho sisubani wena? Ngisemthando. Nawo usoka la imali. Right, sithando sami ungahamba isibona okunye futhi. Wow. Hey, Phili. Yabona lana ngiyavuma ke lena ngiyayithanda kwayimini. So lana ngiyabona ukuthi kuze nane mephela eAfrica. Kwenzakalani la usichazele?
Okay, this one is Rastafarian inspired.
Yeah.
Ubona mbala amarasta of Africa.
Yeah.
So everything that touches of Africa yahlangana no Rasta if you know the history of Rastafarian. So yeah.
Okay. Ubani wena sisigama la? Ngifunda kakhulu. Ngiyajabula ukwazi siyabonga kakhulu sisacela ubona omunye futhi. Hey, ayisami yazini ngiyakuvumile. Kodwa sangela ngapha singafamily la khona sobona kanti bazobona babukele emakhaya. Ya lana kwenzakalani? The fabric blend.
Okay, this one Begui collection year 2019.
Yeah.
Especially for Durban July.
Okay.
Yes, it was modeled with Durban July. It's Stars of Africa.
Yeah.
So we had Bob Marley Lana, inspired by Rastafari, and then we decided to have Isaga to have that nature thing going on. Yeah, basically nje.
Sisukuhlakanipha kukhulu la kwena, hlakaniphile kakhulu and fashion. Ngiyavuma siyabonga kakhulu sithanda sambona igama lakho ubani? Alele ngabanqile. Ngiyajabula ukwazi sisacela ukuthi sibone omunye futhi live. Wow. Okay, Phili. Wena wenza le into isimanga soda phela le. La
Okay, this is our traditional wedding gown.
Wow.
It was inspired by the Durban July theme, the Stars of Africa.
Yeah.
So we've got in line with leyo kuqala ngenile. So ihlanganisa nje yonke into nomblaselo. If you look close here, nomblaselo iphephem yakhona nomblaselo.
Uthi ungayigqoka ngisho noma uya kuma function.
Noma uya kuma function. Yes.
Wow.
It's nice and classy and modern.
Wow. When is this one uba kodwa
anenzele wabhakile.
Uma la imandini.
Yeah.
Kanjani le ngubo le?
It's beautiful.
Irizi. Siyabonga kakhulu sithando sami. Hayi siswami ngiyavuma ngempela. Ulikwezemfashion ukuthi ngiyayiqhenya ngempela ngakwazi ukuthi unomuntu omnyama omuhle naka abumuntu. bahle kangaka okwazi ukuthi into nje iyafana nawe.
Thank you so much.
So lapho siyabonga kakhulu Sisiphili. Sacela ukuthi before nje ngivalelise ngicela ukuthi onke ama-models siwabone sekuhlangene sibone umsebenzi wakho ukuze ababukele emakhaya bezokuchazeka ukuthi kahle hle yini la yenzayo. Yo.
Wow.
Hayi muhle kakhulu umsebenzi, muhle kakhulu. Hayi siyabonga kakhulu Sisiphili, sibonga kakhulu emakhaya ukuthi nibukele imfashini. Manifuna futhi ukuthi nixhumane nayo sizobe beseshile ama-details akhe ko Instagram, Facebook, uyatholakala nako WhatsApp and nimthinde kakhulu. Siyabonga kakhulu Sisiphili ukuthi usijoyine namhlanje.
Thank you for having me here. I very much appreciate.
Okay. Njengamanje-ke sesisoya lesibuyele ubhuti wami uSicelo wakwaZungu ne-artist yethu e-right uSebi. Siyabonga kakhulu.
Thank you.